Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Talk Now. Today we're going to talk about how to get started with Whiteboard. So let's jump into it. Alright, so I'm inside Whiteboard. And so I'm going to show you what you need to do to get started with it. So I've already installed this and I downloaded it from the Microsoft App Store. So the first screen you get when you come in is create a new whiteboard. So I'll delete the one that I just made and we'll start from scratch. There you go. So over here on the right hand side, you can activate pen, ink to shape, ink to table. You can export, white background, clear canvas, accessibility checker, send feedback, help, and about. So if we do a white background, if we click on that, you can do dots, grids, triangles, and lines, basically to help you lay stuff out. You can also change the color of the background. I'm going to go to black just for right now. And then you would just click out of this and then you're there. And if you click once, it'll show the grid. Now we can turn the grid on right here, so you can actually see the grid. That's the kind of grid I like. Okay, now let me select the pen. So you have a few options here. You can select this pen right here, and then you can select the size. So if you want to do a real sharp drawing, then you can do that. If you want a thick drawing, you can do it like that. Now if you need to delete, just click on clear canvas and that'll take care of it. So you can kind of create custom markers here too. If I click here and I go purple, it's going to replace black. Okay, so I'm going to clear my canvas again. And then what you can do is click on the check mark. You can add an image. So let's go to my desktop. 4J Media Podcast. I'm going to slap that over here. Let's add another one. Same image. I'll put that right here. Okay. And then I'll just do one more, just so you can get an idea. So what I want to do is I want to separate these by 2 squares and then snap it to the grid. So I'm going to put it right here. And then this one will be right here. Just like that. And then I'm going to add a note to each one. Okay. Tech Talk Now podcast. And then we should be able to drag this. Really? Okay. I don't know why it doesn't let me drag it. However, if you just click here and then do a note, Tech Talk Now. Daily episodes. Okay. And then the last one, Tech Talk Live webcast. Okay, so I close that and then move that over. Okay, so now we have images and notes all in the same spot. Then if you hit the plus sign, I can go to the camera. I can't use it right now because I'm actually broadcasting my camera through another application, so it won't let me do it. However, you can do text. This is text. Now that will let me drag. Okay, so you can drag, but you got to drag in the middle. See, I was trying to drag here and it locks it. See the red? So you can drag any of these items, but it's got to be in the middle, and then you can drag it wherever you want. So this is text, blah, blah, blah. So you can add Bing images, you can paste in things. I'm going to continue. So let's do like cats, okay? There you go. I can add effects, blah, blah, blah. So that is Whiteboard. Okay, it's a really cool application, honestly. Very cool. So make sure you check us out on 4jmedia.com, and also check us out on social media. Follow us on Facebook at 4jmedia1. Follow us on Twitter at 4jmedia. Follow us on Instagram at 4jmedia. And subscribe to our YouTube channel.